Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubbles using chewing gum. First, select a piece of soft, fresh gum. This is crucial for elasticity. Chew the gum thoroughly until it becomes smooth and very pliable, without any hard spots. Once it's ready, use your tongue to gather the gum into a small, flat ball, positioning it against the roof of your mouth or behind your front teeth. This sets the foundation for a perfect bubble. Now, with the gum gathered, use your tongue to carefully flatten it against your front teeth. You want to create a thin, even layer. Next, gently push the gum through the gap between your front teeth, using your tongue to guide it. This action forms a delicate film of gum that will become the bubble. Make sure this film is consistent in thickness and covers a small, circular area. With the gum film in place, it's time to blow. Slowly and gently blow a small amount of air into the film, just enough to start it expanding. As the bubble begins to form, gradually increase the air pressure, but maintain a steady, controlled breath. Remember to keep your lips sealed tightly around the gum to prevent any air from escaping. This steady airflow is key to a large, round bubble. Once your bubble reaches its peak, you can pop it by simply closing your mouth or gently touching it with your finger. Don't worry if your first few attempts aren't perfect. Practice makes perfect. The more you try, the better you'll become at controlling the gum and your breath. Keep experimenting with different gum types and techniques. And hey, if you're looking to bring some life to your space, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Happy bubbling!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.